From the given string, we need to reverse the positions of vowels. In this case, we have A, I, and O as vowels. To reverse their positions, we will use two pointers, I and J, on both sides of the string. We will move these pointers on either sides till the pointer finds a vowel. When both the pointers find vowels, we will swap them. We will do this until both the pointers meet each other. Now let's code the solution. Since strings are immutable in Python, let's convert it into list first. In this variable, we will store the possible vowels. We will use two pointers I and J set to the leftmost and rightmost characters. Using a while loop, we will start moving the pointers. During each loop, if the left pointer is not pointing to a vowel, we will increment the pointer. If the right pointer is not pointing to a vowel, we will decrement the pointer. When both left and right pointers are pointing to vowels, we will swap them. At last, we will join the list and return the result as a string. Now let's run the solution. It's working. See you in the next video.